Hey everyone, it's me. I wanted to show you something really interesting. I have this bird backpack. All of my conures fit in there, 6 of them, and they enjoy riding around together. And Maggie's on the top. But one thing you can have for them when driving around is a little water bottle. You can get these from the pet store for um, your. It's normally for whatchamacallit, hamsters, gerbils, etc. But this is one thing that you can do to keep them cool, safe, etc. They love drinking from this. I have one on their cage as well. And also you want to have a spray bottle to keep them cool. I put seeds in the bottom so that they have, something to do. But also, you don't want to keep them in this backpack when it's warm, because I had mine in the backpack and I was walking around for a couple of hours, and the one thing I noticed is someone said, "Oh, your birds are panting." It had gotten really warm. There's not a lot of cross ventilation in here. There's a couple of holes on the side. So what you want to make sure is you don't keep them in here on warm days. The cooler days where there's a cross breeze, etc. When I'm in the car, I have my AC on so they're cool, and I also can cover it up so the sun doesn't beat down on them. But this kind of backpack, just be really careful with it, because you want to make sure you can cool off your birds as quickly as possible. Get them out of the sun, etc. I recently bought another backpack which opens up, has a lot of cross ventilation, but as you can see, they love this water bottle. So this is just an idea. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll be back. Bye-bye.